Today is Wednesday, April 29th, and I'm looking at the daily math packet. It's week 5, day 3, and this is the math portion. I hope that you have gone on my YouTube channel and looked at the video. What do we do when we subtract when there's 0 ones and 0 tens? So what we have done is we go, and we know that we can't take 3 from 0, and we can't even take 4 from 0. So we go over to the hundreds, and we take 100 away. We're going to take that 100. But we know we can't put 100 in the 10 spot, but we can if we regroup. 10 tens equals 100. So we have 10 tens. All right, but now we have to go back to the ones, and we know that you can't take 3 from 0. So we take a 10, and we change it to 9, and we regroup that 110 into 10 ones. So I have 10 ones take away 3 is 7, and 9 tens take away 4 tens is 5, and we end up with 57 cents. So let's check it. We add 57 cents plus 43 cents, and we get our dollar, which is what we started with. All right, so that's page 152 on the daily math packet. The next thing I want you to do is to go to your worksheet 5 and 6. Now, second graders, there's an extra box here. So I just need for you to scribble that box out just so it's not confusing. And so actually there's only one thing to do here. Measurement, review inches and centimeters, and you're going to do worksheet 5 and 6. So we're going to take a look at that right now. Sorry about that. Worksheet measuring using inches and centimeters, and you're going to measure to the nearest inch and to the nearest centimeters. You're going to measure that, picture the object on the paper, and we measure in inches first. So what you just have to be really careful is that you're measuring inches, and remember it says to the nearest inch, so it's closer to the 7 than to the 6. So we write 7 inches, and now they want us to measure in centimeters, so we turn our ruler around, and we measure in centimeters. And it's closest to the 17. So we end up with 7 inches and 17 centimeters. So you're going to do that for measuring the picture of the screwdriver and the pen. Then you're going to go to the back, page 6, and you're going to measure the bolt, inches and centimeters, and the dandelion leaf, inches and centimeters. And then you're going to list the objects in order from shortest to longest. And you can either label them in inches or centimeters. So boys and girls, let's just look at, without doing the worksheet, we can notice that, I bet you'll notice too, which item is shortest. Sure, it's the bolt. So that's going to be what you write, the bolt, and then however many inches or centimeters you measure out to. So you either can record in inches or centimeters, and you write from the shortest item that you measured to the longest, shortest to longest. And notice I labeled shortest to longest, all right? So that ends our math portion, and just remember there's an extra box there. So, adios, and I just want you to know I'm not showing my face, but I'm here. Yay, you're doing a good job. Thumbs up, all right? See ya.